Sorry, the last video broke off in the middle of this. So anyway, we had figured out this angle, and this angle. And what we had realized, we just realized that SB is a diameter. So this piece right over here those two central angles have to add to 180. So when we need to find central angle WXV, we can do 180 degrees minus 72. So 180 minus 72, and we get 108 degrees. So that's what this piece right here is going to equal. So now we know all of the degrees that we need to, I believe. Oh, wait, no, not yet. There's one more. So if this is 180, and we know that this is 180, we can figure out central angle UXV. Because, remember, we see a semicircle here. Semicircle STV. You can skip a letter if there's 4 letters. You only need 3 to name it. But STV, it's going to be 180. So 180 minus 21 minus 87. Let's see what this little angle is right here. 180 minus 21 minus 87. Well, that's going to be this, which is 72. Oh, not surprising. Look. What kind of angles are these two? They're vertical angles. They're directly across from each other. They form an X with 2 diameters. So let's see what the measurements are. UXV. UXV. Well, that angle's 72 degrees. Arc ST. Well, that's going to be 21 degrees. Arc WV. That's going to be 108 degrees. Arc TW. Well, that's going to be TS, this little piece, plus SW, this piece. So 21 plus 72, that's going to be 93 degrees. TVW. TVW. Well, that's going to be this piece, which is 87, plus this piece, which is 72, plus this piece, which is 108. And all in, that gives us 267 degrees. Okay, this is number 4. This one's not that hard. So we see this is a right angle. So we know this is a 90 degrees, which means this arc over here is also 90 degrees. Then we look for diameters. This piece is a diameter. So if this is 90, then this has to be 90 as well, because together they have to sum to 180. So 180 minus 90 is 90. Now, what we also notice is this is a diameter. So that means that this piece has to be 180. Well, if that's the case, 180 minus 90 is 90. So this angle has to be 90. Now, if this is a diameter, this piece is a semicircle, right? Right here, that's a semicircle. So this has to be 180. The bottom half over here. So if we know this is 34, this central angle is 34. And this piece has to be 180. So 180 minus 90 minus 34 will give us this little missing piece. 180 minus 90 minus 34, that's going to give us 56 degrees. So let's see what we have here. CD, arc CD, it's going to be 90 degrees. FD, well, that's going to be 34 plus 90. So that's going to be 124